Okay, this how-to video is going to talk about the Allegro PCB Designer Team Design option, and this is the Team Design dashboard or the Workflow Manager, and it's a way to manage all the data that the Team Design option is going to give you. So once you've got your partitions on there, let's just create another one. So if we just go Design Partition, we'll create a partition. We'll just draw one over this kind of section. We'll call it Channels. I've now got the option to kind of go to the Workflow Manager, so let's go and look at the Workflow Manager. So you get a list of effectively the master design, the different partitions that we have inside the design, and this has all been done by the master designer. We've got a silk screen top and bottom, so you can, and this is done automatically. This allows an individual user to work on just the silk screen layers. You can see kind of the user that's working on it, the start and stop layers. The status, so if we were to export one of these, this then becomes exported, and then if somebody actually opens that, this becomes then in progress, and you've got a percentage of placed and routed, you've got percentage wise. There's notes that can be appended. There's some options down here that the master designer has control of, so you've got things like editing constraints, which allows people to actually go into Constraint Manager and make changes based on the partitions they've got. There's soft boundaries where so they can actually work beyond the boundary line that's been set by the master designer. And it's up to the master designer to kind of define these objects or these options before he exports the DPF file for the designer to go and work on. So quite a useful place, and then obviously when you import data, this would then get updated. So the master designer always has an idea of what the status of his design is.